Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys have been paying attention to the crypto market today, all the eyes are on Pepe. On Twitter, I've noticed so many people talking about how Pepe is about to take over Dogecoin, but I personally don't agree, because if you look at Dogecoin, it's also doing very well, at the same time taking over the 17-cent resistance. Talking about the trading volume, it's nearly closing in close to 3 billion, so clearly showing a positive trend. But there are some catalysts. First of all, Trump campaign will be accepting Dogecoin as donation. At the same time, Dogecoin forms a bullish triangle pattern, and this could target the next big momentum. And Dogecoin surge 600 million moved amid the 13% increase. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just tap the YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Keep in mind, the social engagement is going to be playing a very crucial role. Right now, if you go on Twitter, you guys will notice that there is many things that are trending, especially the Tesla stock did some crazy numbers today, and also the whole community is talking about how it is Tuesday today, so it is going to be tipping Tuesday. So everyone's getting really excited when we get some sort of integration of Dogecoin with X payments. I do want to show you guys this. Now, this is a really big twist of events, because you need to understand Ethereum ETF being announced was a big deal, because there will be so many people that would be putting so much money into Ethereum. Now, I am talking about big firms. I'm not talking about people. Now, at that time, our boy Donald Trump had to go ahead and change some things. When I mean change some things, breaking: Donald Trump's presidential campaign now accepts Dogecoin and other crypto as a form of donation. Now, what's really interesting is this was actually posted by Doge Designer. If you do not know who he is, he's someone that gets retweeted by Elon all the time. So this is a big deal. And at the same time, seeing that they are only accepting only few types of different crypto, and Dogecoin being one of them, makes a huge difference. And this is going to also affect him in a positive way, because this shows that he is a supporter of cryptocurrency. Another thing which is interesting is Dogecoin forms a bullish triangle pattern. Now, this pattern is clearly starting to show that we're about to break out of this. There might be a little bit of a pullback, but when we do break out of this, the next momentum up is going to shoot us all the way to 17.5 cents. At the rate at which we're going, most likely we will be making it, because if you see, compared to the previous time we tried to break this resistance, every single time we did actually fall back from where we are sitting. But this time you can see that yes, when it crossed that, a lot of people decided to take profit. Now, that profit taking pushed us down for the last 8 hours, but then this candle which we are on right now is clearly going to break above that and maybe use 17.5 as a support. And this is what I'm talking about with the Tesla stock being up 6.6% today. Now, keep in mind, Doge still has so much to go, because you can see that the RSI line around this zone actually made it into the overbought zone. So this small momentum, or this consolidation we received for 8 hours, actually pushed us back into the center zone, giving us more idea and actually more, room to be able to go explosive in the coming time. Talking about the open interest, it's up another 14%. We're getting closer and closer to 1 billion open interest. If that happens, that's going to be a really positive impact on the Dogecoin market. Talking about the liquidations, it's pretty much evened out when it comes to the long to the short. You can see 2.2, 2.3, and the long to the short ratio is slowly starting to favor the sell, because you guys can see 70 to 30 comparatively to before, when it was 75 to 25. Another thing which is interesting is you guys can see Ethereum is showing no signs of slowing down, and that's one of the reasons why Pepe is climbing so quickly, because a lot of money that's actually flowing into Ethereum is also pretty much flowing back into Pepe, and that's exactly the reason why Pepe is actually exploding so quickly. Another thing which is interesting is Joe actually tweeted out today saying top 5 meme coins in 2024, and he talked about Dogecoin and Dogecoin being number 1. At the same time, last night on the daily close officially produced a daily time frame super trend buy signal. The last 2 times this buy signal occurred, we pumped 71% and then 162%. If we have fun, average out the 2 pumps, then the third one should send us to 35 cents. I'm very certain that if we get pushed all the way to 35 cents, a lot of you guys are going to be very, very happy. Now, keep in mind, there is so much more to come when it comes to cryptocurrency and specifically Dogecoin, because right now it's gearing up to do something big. And if that big thing happens in a short period of time, more and more people are going to be having fear of missing out, so more money will flow in, and that's one of the reasons why we will be able to see a really explosive move in a very short time. Now, Dogecoin eyes a new high with emerging bullish triangle pattern. Now, the pattern that they're talking about is seeing a reasonable upside following the Bitcoin recovery above 71k. This bullish trend is expected to continue, as one analyst points out that Dogecoin has formed a bullish triangle. If the price breaks through the downtrend trend line, we can expect a bullish rally to follow. Now, this is really interesting because you guys need to understand this rally, if it does decide to happen in a really short period of time, it's going to be really, really big, just like what is expected here. It might actually send us from where we're sitting about 100% increase, which will put us into 35 cents. And also, Watcher Guru today tweeted out saying SEC informs exchange it will be leaning towards approving spot Ethereum ETF. Now, if this happens, this is also going to be pushing the whole market into an uptrend. And another place that confirmed that Trump accepts cryptocurrency donations is also this news article. Is Dogecoin about to skyrocket? Experts think so. First of all, 20 cents is going to be the next big point that we will have to break, and especially if we talk about what happened for this season, you guys can see that this bull market that we received, the peak was around 23 cents. Breaking above that and getting to 35 cents would actually set a new standard for which direction Dogecoin can go. SEC hints at the last second approval of Ethereum ETF, but no issuer is ready. Now, this is good because it shows that Ethereum is about to see some big money flow into it. When I mean big money flow into it, a lot of investors or a lot of big firms are going to be putting their money into it. Biden softens his stance on cryptocurrency. This is good because there is going to be a little bit of fight between two, and that's going to cause a little bit of, let's just say, happiness for the cryptocurrency market. Now, Peter anticipates outflow from Bitcoin ETF to Ethereum ETF following the SEC approval. If that happens, the difference between the Bitcoin and the Ethereum is going to be narrowing down. But other than that, you guys can see the market has so much upside. All you need to do is be a little patient. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.